Okay, folks, we've got this 2010 Toyota Highlander. There's my rejection sticker, which I got because, see that little amber light? When we go to this side, we can see it's out. So it probably only would have cost me, oh, I don't know, 20 bucks maybe to have them replace it there on the spot, but I'm a cheap bastard. I know that that bulb costs just a fraction of that, so I'm gonna walk you guys through the replacement. All right, let's open the hood and check it out. All right, so with the hood opened up, I just wanna kind of keep our bearings here. This is the bulb that we're trying to replace, okay? We also have a headlight bulb and a blinker bulb, turn signal bulb, all in the same proximity. What's tricky is that this socket that holds this bulb is buried up in the frame and a little bit difficult, kind of impossible to photograph. But if I get down in here, I just kind of want to show you what we're looking at once you open the hood. So here in the foreground, this is the back of the socket for the headlight. Just beyond right there is the socket for the turn signal. And what we're looking for is the socket for the side marker light, which if you go to the back of this blinker, this turn signal socket, you see this little black wire? With your hands, feel your way up, and that actually takes you to the back of the socket for the side marker light. So I can't do this while I'm holding the camera, so I'm going to pull it out and sort of demonstrate how I yanked it. All right, hold on. I want you to see that once you have your hand on the back of that bulb mount, when you wiggle it, you can start to see the bulb moving here from the front. So do that first. That'll help you know that you have your hands in the right spot if you see that bulb wiggling a little bit. All right? All right, folks. So I have the bulb disengaged from its mount. And what I want to show you before I pull it all the way out is how I did that, because that's going to be out of the camera view. You're going to be feeling for this. So you can see that my thumb here is on sort of a long shaft of the mount for the bulb. And what you're going to be doing is twisting that counterclockwise. So watch what I'm doing here. Okay? It's about that. And it's about a quarter twist. And once you do that, you can then pull it backwards and it disengages from its mount. And then you can bring the whole assembly right here. Okay? And now I'll get my hands free here with a tripod, and we're going to be taking that bulb and swapping it out. All right, now for the easy part, just pull it out, and it's really just friction fit in there, okay? Now we have a new bulb, so let's test it. Let me turn on the lights. Okay, we've got a working bulb. Mission accomplished. Now it's going to just be a matter of fitting it back through the socket, doing a quarter twist in the other direction, and locking it in place. Okay, mission accomplished. There we have it. I should be able to get that rejection sticker removed now. And you guys, this is something that you can definitely do. And for your convenience, I'm going to throw up an Amazon link in the description. So if you want to order this bulb, if you're a Prime member, you get this at your doorstep in a couple days, and your problem is solved. I'll also take the opportunity to say that if you have this vehicle and have other repairs that you think you might have in the future, you might think about subscribing to this channel, because I already have a couple videos up from this vehicle of other repairs that might come up for you too. And of course, in the future, as I encounter issues, I'll be probably making some new videos as well. So if you subscribe, you'll be notified when those videos post. All right, guys, thanks for watching.